Did you know that even major web security companies can fall victim to hacking? It's a sobering reality, and one that was recently faced by Cloudflare, a leading player in the web security arena. In a chilling turn of events, this digital fortress found itself under siege by a suspected nation-state threat actor. This wasn't your run-of-the-mill cyber attack. Oh no, the assailant used stolen credentials from a previous Okta hack to slip past the gates. Picture this as a digital Trojan horse, a cunning ploy that allowed the attacker to infiltrate Cloudflare's internal systems. The intruder didn't just stop at the gates, they ventured further, exploring the company's internal wiki and bug database. This was a well-orchestrated, calculated move, showcasing the audacity and sophistication of the threat actors in today's digital landscape. The breach was discovered on November 23rd, a full 9 days after the initial infiltration. Once inside, the hacker wasted no time navigating through Cloudflare's internal systems. Like a seasoned explorer in an unknown territory, the intruder began their journey within the company's internal wiki and bug database. With the stolen credentials, they gained access to the heart of Cloudflare's knowledge base, a place where the company's systems, processes, and vulnerabilities are laid bare. But this was just the beginning. The hackers' ambition stretched further, reaching into an Amazon Web Services environment. Here, they could tap into a wealth of resources and services, potentially gaining even more control over Cloudflare's operations. However, not all doors swung open for the intruder. An attempt to access the Okta instance and the Cloudflare dashboard hit a solid wall of network segmentation. This defensive measure effectively segmented the network into isolated sections, preventing the hacker from gaining a foothold in these critical areas. Undeterred, the hacker resumed their activities. They scoured the wiki, searching for any nugget of information that could provide insight into the Cloudflare network. They delved into 36 JIRA tickets, each one potentially a treasure trove of vulnerabilities and exploits. Over 200 wiki pages were accessed, each page potentially revealing more about the company's operations. Desiring more persistent access, the hacker created an Atlassian account. This ensured they could maintain their foothold within the system, extending their reach and their potential to cause harm. Despite their extensive exploration and manipulation of Cloudflare's internal systems, there was one thing the hacker couldn't do. They viewed 120 code repositories and downloaded 76 of them, but they were unable to exfiltrate any of the data they accessed. This crucial failure meant that, while the hacker may have gained insights into Cloudflare's operations, they couldn't take anything of value with them. Despite their efforts, the hacker was unable to exfiltrate any of the data they accessed. This was a critical failure in their mission, a testament to the robust security measures in place within Cloudflare's systems. The hacker may have infiltrated the castle, but they left empty-handed. Upon discovery of the breach, Cloudflare sprang into action. This was not a time for hesitation or half measures. The company responded with a comprehensive and vigorous defense strategy. Firstly, they initiated a rotation of over 5,000 production credentials. This is akin to changing the locks on your doors after a break-in, making sure the intruder can't just stroll back in with the keys they've found. Simultaneously, Cloudflare got down to triaging close to 5,000 systems. This is like a digital emergency room, where each system is assessed, prioritized, and treated based on the severity of its condition. But Cloudflare didn't stop there. The company took the extraordinary step of re-imaging and rebooting every machine within its global network. Think of this as a complete health check and system reset for each and every computer under Cloudflare's care. In essence, Cloudflare did not just react to the attack, but took proactive steps to fortify its defenses against any future intrusions. The company's swift and decisive actions not only limited the damage from this particular breach, but also strengthened their overall security posture. Cloudflare's swift action limited the damage and prevented further intrusion. So, what does this all mean for Cloudflare and web security as a whole? Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The recent hack on Cloudflare, a leading web security company, was a sophisticated operation, focusing not on immediate damage, but on gathering valuable knowledge about Cloudflare's infrastructure. The attackers were able to infiltrate the system, navigate the internal network, and download dozens of code repositories. Though they didn't exfiltrate any data, the incident raises pertinent questions about the vulnerability of web security companies. If Cloudflare, a company at the forefront of web security, can be breached. What does this mean for the rest of the industry? The incident warns us of the potential for similar attacks on other web security firms. It's a wake-up call that even the most secure networks can be compromised. In an era where cyber threats are evolving and becoming more complex, it's clear that constant vigilance, robust security measures, and swift responses to breaches are more essential than ever. In the end, the Cloudflare hack serves as a stark reminder that no one, not even the gatekeepers of web security, are immune to cyber threats.